guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Want to subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I sound crazy. I'm exhausted. My head has been killing me. I've not slept in days, but we're here for the video. So I do apologize for my low energy, for my voice, but we're getting this video out. No, the winner's not announced in this video. The winner of my vlog camera giveaway will be announced in my next video next Monday. I'm actually filming this on Sunday, so yeah. So you guys already know, if it's at midnight, put in at work. If it's not, usually when it's a holiday or people are off, I usually put the video out at 6, just because you guys probably do other things tonight. But that's that. Since it is October, we know that this is the September DERMA influencer box. I don't know why it's been so late. I did pick it up. I didn't pick it up that late. I got it this week. I picked it up this week. Stop. But I'm excited to get into this. Luckily for me, it is a quick video because as of late, I've only been getting 3 products in here. So I have no idea what the products are. I'm not wearing my glasses and I'm not wearing contacts. I'm just raw eyeing it today. So if I'm squinting, trying to read, bear with me. Y'all ready? Cause I am. If you guys are ready to see what I got in this month's, last month's DERMA influencer box, this is a mess, y'all. Make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. Oh my god. Yup. Okay, so I did make some coffee. Absolutely needed it. Absolutely. It's not even early. It's just that like I've been in bed and just I've not been wanting to get up. But we move. And I guess we struggle to open this up. What's the best way to do this? This way. All right. Sorry. Whew. We got the mermaid unboxing knife. I hate those stupid cards. Dude. Ooh. So, like I said earlier, I've been getting 3 products, unless it's an entire line. I think that's only happened twice now, where I've gotten 4 products, but here they are, and they look to be of the same line. So let's see what's going on here. This is the DERMA Advanced Peptides and Flora Collagen Eye Cream. I do have the cryo gel mask from this. I've only used it a couple times. I should use it. I have it in the fridge. This is tiny, but I don't know what I expected from an eye cream. The only other eye creams I have from DERMA, sorry, I was scratching my forehead. The only other eye creams I do have from DERMA are the ones that come in they look like a lip gloss. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? And you're told to put it on your finger and then massage it in. So it's a little interesting and different to receive a DERMA eye cream in this little, doesn't smell like anything, but you guys know me. I have to smell. I have to. All right, let's see. It says to use, gently dab around the eye area with ring finger. Why is, I guess. In the morning and evening, works well under makeup. I hate when they say that. Now I have to open it back up and feel it. All right, I'm just gonna put some here. Obviously, it's not to test how well it brightens or depuffs my hand. It's really just to see how it like dries down. Okay, use a little bit. Just to see if it's greasy or anything. It's not. So it's not very shiny. It's not very oily. So, okay, sure. It can work under your makeup. I'm just going to grab some more coffee because y'all, I am tired. Oh, God. Are you guys off today when you're seeing this? Indigenous Peoples Day? Formerly Columbus Day? I spit on his name. You should be. I feel like if your job is not closed, it sucks. I'm sorry. But like some jobs just like Some businesses we just actually do need open, so I'm gonna shut the hell up. But if you're in corporate America and you don't have Juneteenth off and you don't have Indigenous Peoples Day off, it's kind of like, what's going on? All right, so I'm going to skip to the middle product because I'm most interested in what the hell it is. Because I've never seen this color from DERMA. Usually the orange is like the acne one. The one that's a little yellow, different yellow than this, is the vitamin C. So I don't know what this is. So it says recover and repair deep conditioning treatment mask. But for what? Oh, this is for your hair. They have hair stuff. I did not know DERMA had anything for your hair. This is crazy. I'm not gonna use it. Well, I might use it. I'm just very particular about hair products because I have colored hair. That sounds racist. But because I color my hair, you guys know what I mean. So I gotta look at the ingredients because I don't want anything. Why is there alcohol in it? See, I'm already like, why is there alcohol in a deep conditioning mask? I don't think that'll work for me. Anything that's gonna pull my color is not gonna be it. Maybe after I bleach my hair, then I could try it. But it says after shampooing, massage into hair from root to tip, 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. For a deeper treatment, apply 30 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use weekly, followed with your favorite DERMA styling product. I did not know they have hair products. I don't have my phone. I want to check. I did not know that DERMA had hair products. As far as I knew, they had skincare. This is crazy. What's that smell? It smells like lemongrass. A very faint lemongrass. So that's cool. I'm not gonna touch this because I'm gonna have to wash it off. It's for hair. I don't want to leave that part sticking out. Get up in there. Get up in there. Get up in there. No mess. Okay. Well, it's gonna be a little messy. It's just gonna be that. Let's look at the ingredients. It says clean, effective, and dermatologist. Ethical Beauty says ultimate hair rescue, a unique blend of argan oil, amino acids, vitamin B5, actively treats weak, damaged strands by delivering essential nutrients, transforming hair into soft, shiny, and fully restored hair. Maybe I should try it, but I'm just scared. I don't like a lot of things. Guys, the squinting, I'm blind. I'm telling you, my glasses are over there, but because they added the blue light treatment and all this other stuff to my lenses, I didn't realize that it was going to give a green reflect toward any flash or selfies. Like, it's annoying. And I'm pretty sure the eye doctor told me that it wouldn't do that. That was a lie. All right, let's see. I'm trying to see. It says, So, I'm sorry about the squinting. Products that jumped out at me, right? Because I saw this. It says hydrolyzed cannabis sativa seed extract. Does that mean that they have to say that it's a CBD product? Maybe not, because they don't have any CBD, but that's a little, I don't know. Words I can't pronounce. I know some of these words. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to look further into this. I'll try it. I'm telling you guys, I'm very particular about hair products because I do bleach and dye my hair. I don't do it often. I need to do it quick. Like coming up, because I do have a wedding in November that I need to go to. Early November, November 4th. And then the following week, I have this Tech 9 show that I'm trying to go to with Hollywood Undead. King ISO and Table's going to be there. Table's my guy. King ISO. I'm gonna give him attitude. I actually told him that I'm gonna bring baby cherry tomatoes to the show to throw at him because I got an attitude and I'm gonna have attitude with him for the rest of my life. And I told him that. So, but yeah, so this is interesting. I need to look further into their hair care products. I thought I had a phone close by. I'm a fucking liar to myself, but I didn't know. So I need to look into that, and I may have to give this away because I'm a little afraid on my hair, just because I don't want to bleach my hair and put. It's just like, why is there alcohol? And it's it's the second ingredient. And then there's the chloride. Like, I just don't know that I should put this in my hair after processing it. You know, because the last thing I want to do is dry it out and have it become brittle. Even though my hair is pretty strong, even when it breaks off, it's like, ugh. Also guys, it's time for me to clip my ends again. Like last time I cut off like I definitely cut off 2 inches of my hair. It's not all even. I'm just clipping the ends and it's not gonna be all even because when I redo, like when I shave the sides, I've restarted a few times, so it's shorter. But my hair grows so fast. So when I clip the ends, it grew so much more. I want to try that Timo hair. It's like a hair straightener, but it has like the comb. I want to try it and then really get in my ends. But we're moving on. The last and final product is the DERMA Advanced Peptides and Fluorocollagen Cryo Gel Mask. So I have this. I've used this. I like it. One thing I did notice about this is it feels nice. It is a cooling mask. If you keep it in the fridge, it does feel really good. Keep it in the fridge for sure. But one thing I did notice when I use it, it feels a little tangly. Don't get scared. Do not get scared because it works. It doesn't like affect your skin. Like, I don't know. I like to feel my skincare products working. Like I feel a little tingle, if I feel fresh, if I feel brighter. I don't know. I like to feel those things if I feel really moisturized. I don't know. I feel like I just know, and my skin knows that it's working. As long as it doesn't do any damage to my actual skin. And this doesn't. It just tingles, just like that mask I have that burns. It fucking burns, y'all. So it tingles, it goes away, but it feels really good. Your skin feels nice after. I just assume that these feelings are, you know, we're stimulating blood flow, we're stimulating collagen, all that. So that's how I feel. I've only used this a few times, so I'm definitely gonna try it again. But I have nothing bad to say about this so far. I haven't used it enough to see any results. I actually been slacking on using my Scar Gel only because I've been using the DERMA concentrated vitamin C serum. I really like it. It's not harsh. I have used it after using that vitamin C, it's supposed to be like a little chemical peel, or like it's supposed to be like a peel and it tingles, and you're not supposed to have it on for more than 10 minutes, but it's just weird applying it. Like I think I got the hang of it, so I'll show you guys. But I've been on top of my skincare more because I am testing out the LED mask that I showed you guys. I think I showed you guys. I've been using the mask 3 times a week. Today is Sunday, so I'll be using it again today. Week 1 is done. So far, I feel like with because you're supposed to use it with your skincare products. I'm happy that they remind people of that. So I've been going in with my Effaclar cleanser, my toner. I've been using the anti-acne serum from DERMA, and then I even go in with my vitamin C serum, the concentrated vitamin C serum. They don't react. My skin is, guys, we're doing good. So you can use multiple serums with the concentrated vitamin C serum. That just made me, that's one thing that I was worried about, because sometimes it could be too harsh, like the vitamin C or your skin. And I didn't have any breakouts, no anything. And I've been using my vitamin C overnight moisturizer. Great. So DERMA definitely has some great products, and when you use them with your favorite products, you mix up your skincare routine, you'll see great results. Now that summer's over and it's fall. It's fall. And it's been raining. It's been really, really windy. But it's not been, like, I haven't had too much sun damage, so we're good there. But that vitamin C serum, highly recommended. But that is it, guys. These are the 3 products I got in this month's, last month, September's DERMA Influencer Box. Let's get thumbnail it. I'm kidding. That last one would never be it. But that is it, guys. If you liked the video, if you've tried any DERMA products, what products are you currently loving right now? I know I showed you guys my favorites in one video. I literally have 2 boxes of my empties, and I think these are like almost the empties I've had since I started my channel. I know I've tossed a lot out, but if you guys want to see all of the empties that I have, let me know in the comments down below. It literally is just like a little time capsule of all the products that I've tried on this channel. Some from the companies directly, some from BoxyCharm, and we know how that went. Okay. And I think that's an interesting video to get into. It might be a little long. I probably have to skip or not really go in depth to all products, but just talk about the ones that I remember very, very detailed. Like that I really remember, that I still use, that I wish I repurchased, stuff like that. So let me know in the comments down below if that is something you want to see. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out a lot. It is a free way to support your girl. You know what else is free? Subscribing to my channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Okay, even if I have to film on a Sunday, right, guys? Don't forget, next week's video, I will be announcing the winner of my vlog camera giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.